You know, one of my biggest challenges these days is making enough content, right? I make tons of stuff in the Wood Whisperer Guild, but that's all behind a paywall, so not everyone can see it. And I don't always have enough time, especially with a busy family life, to be able to make projects for the free site. So I'm thinking, you know, we've been doing this for a long time. Maybe it's time for a little bit of a change. So what I think I'm gonna do is when I'm in the middle of a big guild build like I am right now, I'm building a huge executive desk, I want to post short clips that will actually bring you in the loop and show you what I'm working on, give you some tips and some usable information. Even though I'm not able to show you the entire project, it'll be just enough that you can kind of sink your teeth into it, take a little tip, bring that back to your shop and do something with it. All right, so let's see how this works out. Bear with me as I go through some lumps and bumps and figure it out. But let's take a look at some of these interesting panels that we've designed for the executive desk. I'm actually just about to do this glue up here, but you can see as I pull the legs away, what we're left with here is a simple plywood panel with rails that are just face glued to the panel. Right, there's no special joinery because you don't really need any to attach this rail to this face. The glue surface is enough. And then, to be able to attach this to the legs, I have joinery from the rails themselves, as well as some supporting joinery on the panel that will go into our legs. And you can see the accompanying joinery on there. Now, I had a lot of these panels to make, so I got quite a bit of experience with it very quickly, and it's a super simple way to construct this thing. Now, I certainly could have done a more traditional frame and panel design, but I wanted the substantial heft of 3/4 inch sides, and I didn't really want to go with rails that were any thicker than 3/4 of an inch. So it kind of put me at an impasse if I wanted to have this look on how I would actually join these things together. So as long as you have good joinery into your legs, this is a really strong way to put it together that's absolutely simpler than anything else that I've seen out there. So it's going into my desk, and I'll let you know 10 years from now if it falls apart, but I think it'll be okay.